Curls for the girls. Period.
On my personality, maybe cause I got a nigga mentality. I'm trying to make $1 million my salary. I might have took an L, but I'm pretty sure nobody can tell. It took me a while to come up out my shell. At least I can say I did it with no help.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Keandra back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I define my curls because this ain't it. So I'm gonna show y'all how I define these curls, and it's really simple and easy what I do. If y'all want like a night curly routine with this hair too, let me know and I can show y'all what I do at night. But anyways, I'm gonna take this scarf off because I've been laying. Period. With closure. I'm just playing because I gotta fix my edges and stuff. But anyway, so this is how the hair looks. I did a video on how I made this wig. I'm gonna link it in the iCards and the description box below. But this is True Glory's Brazilian deep wave hair, I believe. Yeah, I think that's right. If it's not right, I'm gonna correct myself on the screen. But I'm pretty sure this is True Glory's Brazilian deep wave hair, y'all. And this is how it looks from the back. It's very poofy. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I define it. All I use is 3. Why don't my light want to play with me? Why? Let's not do that today, light. Let's not. But anyways, so this is how it looks from the back or whatever. I only use 3 simple items when it comes to defining my curly hair. Here go 2 of them. So you're gonna need a spray bottle to hold the 2 things. But I use water, and I also use, I'm gonna get it from behind this little mirror thing right here. So I use water in this bottle, and then I have the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream in here. So I just scoop some of this out with my finger, and I put it in here with warm water, and then I shake it up. It ain't warm no more, but that's okay. So yeah, you want to use a water and leave-in conditioner mix. And then I usually, which we don't have right now, I usually use the Lotta Body foaming mousse. But in replace of that, I'm gonna use a little bit of this Eco Styler gel just to define the curls a little bit. I don't want to pack a lot of gel up in here. Sorry, this stuff itch. I don't want to pack a lot of gel in here, so I'm gonna just use a little bit of that. Thank God it ain't spill out. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna leave the links and stuff like that to this hair, and I'm just gonna jump right into how I define it. So I like to do it in like sections because it's just better that way. So I'm gonna just take this half of the hair and put this ponytail holder on there, get it out the way. I'm gonna work on this side. And what I'm gonna do is just spray my my water and leave-in conditioner mix. I'm gonna just get this like real good and wet. So I just apply a generous amount of this mix on the hair. And see, since this conditioner that I'm putting in here, it's very easy to finger comb through the hair with the conditioner. The conditioner helps, just like you would put leave-in conditioner on your regular natural curly hair. It's kind of the same thing. Like, it helps you define the curls. It makes the hair softer. And look at that. I just finger detangled it. But I'm going to still go in with my wig brush. And I'm going to start from the bottom and just work my way up. And just really detangle the hair. So after I do that, scrunch it up some. Anyways, this is how it's looking so far. Look at them curls. Don't mind my edges right there. I gotta make them look a little better, but this is how the hair is looking so far. So now I'm gonna hurry up and do the same thing to the other side. This is so simple and easy to do. Just water and leave-in conditioner.
Make sure you get it real nice and saturated with this water and with the mix.
Now I'm gonna finger comb it.
I'm using my nails, but you don't have a little ponytail up here.
And then on this side, I'm going to detangle it with my
Lead brush. I think how to brush is glide through because my fingers basically did all the work.
Now that I do that, I'm gonna scrunch it up some. And I'm gonna take a little bit of my this is the olive oil Eco Styler gel. Dang, now I don't wanna. I promise I'm not over exaggerating, y'all. That was hard to open. But anyways, I'm gonna take a nice little amount of that and just rub it in my hands like this and just go through the hair. And I'm using this to replace my mousse because I don't have no more. But I would have did that same. I would have did the spray my hair, did the same thing, and then just put the mousse in my hands. And you don't want to like overdo it because when your hair dry, you don't want it to be crunchy. So that's why we not using a lot. And y'all, that's basically like, that's literally it for my like little curly hair routine. That's literally all I do. Like, it's that simple. And as far as it drying, I let it air dry. If you want to rush or whatever, you can use your blow dryer, like your diffuser. I have one of those. I usually don't do that though. I never do that. I just let it I let it dry like this. And while it's drying, you really don't want to touch it, mess with it, manipulate it, nothing like that. You want it to dry just how it is. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna let it dry. This the back. So I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna get back to y'all when the hair is completely dry. Let me get up close and personal with y'all so y'all can see what's going on. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm outside, but I just wanted to let y'all see the hair. It's like halfway dry, still kind of wet. But I just wanted to let y'all know, as long as y'all don't touch it or whatever, and you let it dry just how you defined them, then that's how they're gonna dry, sis. Simple. Period. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to let y'all see that. And that is about it for this video, y'all. Yeah, that's it for my curly hair routine, y'all. If y'all like what y'all saw, subscribe to your girl channel and give me a thumbs up, and drop a comment down below what y'all thought of the video. And with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next one.